Hello my gorgeous nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Designed by Osil. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. As always, the channel is to go to destination for latest nail design. So if you love a beautiful nail, you love trending nails, you love gorgeous and more stylish nails, then here is your go-to destination. Kindly do well to join us today, okay, by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today's video is a beautiful selection of cute and stylish nail designs, latest and gorgeous nails ideas that will definitely keep you elevated. So guys, just watch to the end so that you select your best slide. We have a lot of beautiful and stunning design. We have them in different nail art, different colors, different shapes that will definitely blow your mind. So guys, as you watch, please watch to the very end and select your favorites, and also share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this beautiful video. You don't want them to miss this video, do you know? Just share it to them so they can be part of the video as well. Thank you so much my ladies, and as you watch our video, kindly do support us by hitting the like button. You guys liking this video will help you to reach a wider audience, so please support us by liking the video and also share to your family and friends. Thank you so much my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.